on the audio settings, there's a million of them. You can go with a crossover, position, D-bass, loudness. I don't know what this is, but it makes the music a little bit louder. So I'm gonna keep it at 2. I think it's a slave or something like that. And then this one changes the sound too. 2 sounds good. EQ settings, I'm going with powerful. It just sounds better. And then fader, balance, subwoofer off, because I don't have one. Speaker level. We can go with 5. Rear, we'll go 5 also. And that just really changed the volume of how it goes. I'm gonna go back, speaker level, crossover, front, rear. Go with 100. And then this one is already set. We're gonna go 125. This sounds good. And then that's it. And then you can save the settings. And then go back to what it was, and then now it should sound really, really nice. If I want to push the bass, makes it even better, but it's too much bass for the speakers, so I could do it without it and then just listen to it at a higher volume, which actually sounds fairly good. But that's my take on this Pioneer deck. Audio settings.